Hey there, future content marketing superstars. Welcome to the Content Marketing for Beginners course. Today we are going to dive into the exciting world of content marketing and discover how it can help businesses grow online. Are you ready to learn some cool stuff? Well, this is Nidhi Singh and you're watching This is Digital Marketing. This is the second video in the content marketing series. In this module, we will learn how to create a solid content strategy that will guide our content creation efforts and help us achieve our goals. Are you excited? I am for sure. Let's start by talking about conducting conducting market research. So imagine you're going on a grand adventure. Before setting off, you need to gather information about the place to visit, right? Wherever you are doing this adventure, you need to know what that place is, the challenges you might face, and the exciting things you can do. The same goes for content marketing. Market research helps you understand your target audience, what the competitive scenario is, and market trends. It's like having a treasure map to success. By conducting market research, we can uncover valuable insights about our target audiences, their preferences, needs, and desires. For example, why do people like lemonades? What are some reasons or personas that are consuming your lemonade? For example, someone could be having it empty stomach as the first thing without sugar because of health and fitness reasons. Some must be having it to quench their thirst. So, in order to know all these reasons, you need to do market research. This activity also helps you carve out your niche. That, like, how will you stand apart from competition? What are some gaps that you can fill? Would you be able to give your customer ability to add the sugar that they really want? Because whatever you do, you can never match everyone's sugar levels, right? So these are the things that you can figure out. For example, is it there could be people like, for example, I like my lemonade with mint. So all these unique quirks of a user you will only be able to figure out from market research. Now let's also talk about building a strong brand. Just like superheroes, just to explain this concept, I'm taking this fun example. Just like superheroes have their own unique powers and costumes, every business has its own special brand voice and messaging. It's what makes you different from everyone else. We'll dive into discovering your brand's personality, values, and the way we talk to our audience, etc. Whether we are friendly and fun or serious or professional, all of this we're going to discover as we proceed with our videos. But finding your brand voice is super important for you to help you connect with your audience in a genuine and consistent way. For example, if you have large audience base who is health freak, you would want to use a language that really makes sense for them. For example, it would consist of a lot of details around health benefit of using any product that you're using, right? And if you're talking about people who are just drinking something for the fun of it, you will use a jester kind of personality to bring a live fun element to your content. Does it make sense? Do comment and let me know. So you have done market research, you have crafted a unique voice for your brand. Now comes to creating the content. In order to create content, you need to keep in mind that users or people want to see content with consistency. They expect that you should have certain frequency that you should post content. For example, even my YouTube channel, my users expect that I should publish either every week or every month, but I should have consistency. And in order to do that, the best way to do is having a content calendar. From covering what topics to create to setting deadlines, a content calendar keeps us on track. It's like a good friend who keeps nudging, hey, you need to create content to keep your user base happy and ensures we consistently deliver awesome content. There are amazing tools out there that make managing our content strategy a breeze. They help us keep track of content ideas, schedule posts. For example, Buffer in one such tool that I have used in the past and helps collaborate with our teams as well. So yeah, we will explore different content management tools and find the one that best fits for different needs. These tools will save your time and make your content creation process smoother and more efficient. So yeah, we are going to do that. So congratulations, content strategy superheroes. You have learned the essential elements of developing a strong content strategy. And in the next module that I will launch, we'll roll up our sleeves and dive into the exciting world of creating compelling content. So get ready to have your hands dirty with some content writing that your audience will love. So stay tuned, get ready for more content creation adventure. This is Nidhi Singh signing off from This is Digital Marketing.